Muy rico, el huevito está muy rico, pruébenlo. Qué rico el huevito. Miren.
I tried lumpia before. Lumpia? Yes, and it was good. Very good.
I like it's food. It's my first time eating Philippine food, and I appreciate this. Yes.
I actually don't know what is it, but like it's really good, and this one is really special. I've never tried this before.
One Filipino TV, nandito tayo ngayon sa Marché de Cuisine du Monde kung saan bibida din ang Filipino food. Tara at alamin natin ang kanilang mga reaksyon sa Pinoy food dito sa Paris, France.
Ako po si Kyle Dapiton, isa po ako sa part owners ng kaninderya. Ngayon po meron po tayong international event. First time po nilang inorganize to na Cuisine du Monde. So meron pong maraming representative po ng iba't ibang bansa and happy po kami na isa kami sa dalawang representative po for the Philippines. So ngayon po, as you can see, marami pong tao, marami pong booths ng iba't ibang bansa, hindi lang po Asia, meron din po European, African, lahat po. So we're happy and proud to be part of this event po.
Ito ang mga inahanda ng kaninderya sa event na ito.
Meron po kaming pancit, siniserve po namin siya na may lumpia na gulay para lang po sa mga vegetarian kasi alam namin mga French po, vegetarian po sila. Tapos meron din po kaming bagoong rice na meron lang chicharon imbis na lechon kawali. Tapos meron din po kaming mga gulay na inihanda. Ito po yung bestseller namin, yung inasal tsaka java rice. Ito po. Tapos yung salad po na homemade po nung chef namin si Tita Nancy. Ito po yung adobo namin, tapos kaldereta po. Yun po yung 5 menu namin na inihain ngayong araw.
Nakita nyo naman at sold out na ang kaninderya.
Tikman lahat natin yung mga iba-ibang klase pagkain ng buong mundo para ma-represent din ang Pilipinas.
Dahil masarap ang lutong Pinoy. Maraming tumatangkilik sa luto natin.
Makilala din ng ibang lahi na meron tayong masasarap na pagkain na pwedeng ipakain sa ibang lahi para ma-promote din natin yung Filipino culture and delicacy natin.
Ako po si Jen Sunga. Ang treasure ko po dito paluto kay Jen Sunga. Meron po tayong lahat ng street food. May tenga, may isaw, kwek-kwek, fishball, calamar, barbecue, siomay, fishball, kakawet. Kaya wala na lang po, ubos na.
I actually don't know what is it, but like it's really good, and this one is really special. I've never tried this before, and that's really interesting because like the color is great, and to have an egg inside is really special. I've never tried that before, and actually that's really good. That's really tasty.
I will teach you what it's called. It's called kwek kwek.
Kwek kwek.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. And this one, I guess like I've already tried something like that with fish inside, but like it's more agha, but I don't know the name in Filipino.
Yeah, fish ball or bola bola, fish ball.
Okay, bola bola.
Yeah.
Okay, that's really good. That's really tasty. I'm really glad to taste all of this food.
Ako po si Michelle, isa po sa nagtayo ng kaninderya. So, na-notice po namin na wala masyadong event na, or Pilipino na sumasali sa mga ganitong event. So, nag-try kami and this is the first time. And nakakatuwa dahil I think 3 p.m. halos sold out na. So, okay din siya para magtipon-tipon ng mga Pilipino.
They love it. Really naman po, they love it. Yeah. Kaya lagi yung Philippine. Be proud.
Ano po yung mga feedback na nababanggit nilang kadalasan?
Basta bumabalik ko sila, masarap bumabalik. Naubos na po, wala na.
Very good. Yes, it's very good. I like it's food. It's my first time eating Philippine food, and I appreciate this. Yes.
Sorry. I will tell you.
No.
Ça c'est fish ball or bola bola.
D'accord.
And then this is kwek kwek. The
Kwek kwek?
orange. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a quail egg with flour.
D'accord.
Yeah, and some flavor seasoning.
Okay.
And this is calamares.
Okay.
It's the same as
Yes.
what
We know this in France too.
Calamar.
Spain
Yes.
too.
In Spain, calamares. Yes, we are. We almost
Para makilala naman yung pagkain natin, yung kung gaano kasarap yung mga pagkain natin. Kasi kanina marami kaming ditong mga Pranse, sinasabi nila na nakita namin na kumakain sila ng barbecue, tapos sabi nila gusto nilang matikman yung ibang pagkain naman ng ibang bansa.
That's good. That's good. It's like, it's soft, but you can feel the grilled. Yeah, it's good. I like it. And it doesn't have a weird smell, so it's pretty good.
Aujourd'hui, j'ai mangé avec les œufs de caille et les oreilles de cochon. Trop bon. Je connaissais pas la nourriture philippine avant. Et c'est la première fois, je passais, il y avait du monde dans la queue. Et donc je me suis mis dans la queue et je me suis laissé guider par l'odorat. Et du coup, voilà, j'ai aimé. Vous voyez, il n'y a plus rien, tout est fini.
po yung binili natin today.
Isaw.
Para naman maangat ang ano natin ng Pilipinas, di ba? Oo, at saka matikman nila yung ibang luto ng pagkain ng Philippines.
And what is your favorite Filipino dish?
Caldereta. What is the sisig? I like the sisig.
Yeah. Favorite friend?
Barbecue.
The food.
I like the lumpia. How you say? Lumpia.
Yeah.
Alaman din nila yung kultura natin na Pilipino.
Can you say?
It's
You can good taste.
I like the texture. It's a bit chewy, like a bit of fat, and I love that type of food.
Yeah,
For
we showed
me,
them.
we don't have a lot in France like that. We don't eat a lot, but it's really different. I like things that are a bit different from what we find here in France, and to experiment all the time with the flavors. So that's it.
Can we show on the camera what you've got today? What are you trying? Great.
It's the intestines.
Do you like what you tried today?
Sí,
See?
sí, sí.
What can you say about it?
Está muy rico, el huevito está muy rico, pruébenlo.
Qué rico,
Qué rico el huevito.
muy rico.
Miren.
Okay, c'est un nuevo.
Très bon.
Okay, ça c'est très bon.
Oui, c'est
Okay.
très bon.
Is it your first time to try Filipino food?
Première
Oui,
expérience.
La première expérience.
Oui, je crois.
Ah, premier non, j'ai déjà goûté les...
Ah,
oui?
Oui.
Vous avez-
C'est la première.
J'ai goûté le lechon filipino, lechon.
Mais vous avez aussi des lechon
Colombia sí, sí, chicharrón, lechon, sí.
Chicharrones.
Chicharrones, sí.
Se llama So today you try Filipino food.
Yeah.
What did you try? Do you know what it's called?
No, actually, I don't know the name. I know this is eggs. It's like
Yeah, quail egg.
Okay.
I will teach you because I'm 100% Filipino and I cannot tell you. This is called kwek kwek.
Okay,
Can you say it?
Kwe kwe.
And this is siomai.
Shomai.
Yes.
It's very good actually. I thought it would be very spicy, but it's okay and yeah, it's very good.
Hindi, para at least makilala tayo, di ba? At makilala dito sa Paris na ang Pilipino, alam mo na, di ba? Umaangat naman tayo, hindi na lang lagi sa baba. Di ba? Yes. Pilipino talaga.
Yeah!
Maraming po salamat sa mga kababayan natin na nagpunta rito, pumila at nag-enjoy sa pagkain po natin. Ubos po. So far may mga niluluto pa po, kaya lang talaga ubos na. Maraming po salamat sa Filipino community.
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng Pilipino na nagpunta ngayon dito sa Place de Bastille.
Maraming salamat po at follow for more One Filipino TV.